warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nayar Al-Fatunisa with student number 2024-32079 from the Information System Department, Class B. Okay, I will explain the program that I made. The first part is the header and namespace. These are found on the first line to the fourth line. Include IOStream. Provide functionality for input-output, example cin and cout. Include string. Enable operation with string, example getLine. Include IOmanip. Provide tools for formatting output, example setW and setPrecision. Using namespace std allow direct use of cin, cout, and other standard functions without prefixing them with std. Okay, next the second part is defining the struct. This is on the 6 and 10 to 10 line. Struct data defines a struct name data with the following member name, a string to store the student ID number, nama, a string to store the student name, usia, a string to store the student age, IPK, a floating point number to store the student GPA or IPK. The third part is the main function on the 13th line for the entry point of the program. The fourth part is the variable declaration found on the 14 to 16 line. Data D3 create an array of the data struct to store information for 3 students. Float jumlah equal 0.00, a variable to accumulate the total IPK of all students. Float rata equal 0.00, a variable to store the average GPA. The fifth part is the input section found on the 17 to 28 line. For int equals 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, a loop to input data for 3 students, getLine cin_di.name reads the student ID number name as a string and stores it in di.name. GetLine cin_di.nama reads the student nama and store it in di.nama. GetLine cin_di.usia reads the student age and stores it in di.usia. cin_di.ipk reads the student IPK and store it in di.ipk. cin_ignore clear the input buffer so that getLine can be used correctly in the next iteration. Jumlah plus equal di.ipk adds the student's IPK to the jumlah variable. Cout and line create a blank line between student and trace. The sixth part is the table header found on 30 to 32 line to display a separator line and the table header for the student information. The seventh part is display student data found on 33 to 38 line. Left align the output to the left, set W4 sets the width of the column to 4 characters for numbering, set W11 sets the width of the column to 11 characters for name, set W28 sets the width of the column to 28 characters for the student name, set W8 set the width of the column to 8 characters for age, fixed set precision to format the IPK to display with 2 decimal place. The eighth part is footer on 8 the 40 line to display a separator line under the table. The ninth part is IPK average found on 41 to 44th line. Rata equal jumlah divide 3. Calculate the average IPK by dividing the total IPK by the numbers of students. Display the calculate average IPK. Okay, I will explain and run the program. Okay, I will enter the data. And this is the result of my program. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I say sorry if there are any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.